Hey, just a quick video walk around tour on this 8-foot Redding service body. It is 98 inches long and 78 inches overall width. I'll try to get the measurement for the front wheel wells too, but figured I would just show everything kind of wrong with it. So, these boxes, these do, this one doesn't seem to have rust hole, but most of them have rust holes in the bottom. He's got the nicer like spring actuated instead of the hydraulics. I like that more. Aluminum tops on these. I assume somebody added this over time, but they did a nice job on that. Real heavy duty. No rust holes in this one. I thought maybe I got some bonus drill bits there for a second. Oh, some cold weather oil. How about that? I'm actually gonna take that, guys. But this one's in nice shape. There's the fuel fill. All right, this one, here we go. Oh, actually, look, they left the drill in there. How about that? I gotta make sure it's not somebody's here. That one doesn't seem to have any rust holes. Good shape. Coming around the front. So somebody cut a big hole out of this. I don't know why. Maybe they needed the metal for something else. I'm not sure. But here's the frame members on it. Rusty, but still in decent shape. There goes the Amtrak. And this door is in terrible shape. Bottom's rusted out. The latch has been cut out of it. The interior is decent. These shelves are actually in great shape, and those are like usually a pricey upgrade. Redding Classic 2. So here's a look at this side. This one's got the double handle. Let me see if we can get that open. Oh yeah. So a little bit of rust hole in there. Here is the model number. There you go. Serial number, model, and real heavy duty door. Let's get over here. Sorry about this long video. This one's in good shape. Now let's get underneath a little bit. So, yeah, here's how you're looking. Rust hole right there on that frame member. Definitely needs some work. Kind of just real rusty overall. Definitely some rust holes in the sheet metal on the floor. But, I mean, some of it's still in really good shape and some of it's just trashed. And so the measurement at the front here, sorry about the poor camera work, guys, to the wheel well, it's 3 foot. Wheel well is, terrible camera work. 35 inches. And then the back, another 26 inches. And tailgate. Oh, here's a look inside the bed. You see those rust holes. Tailgate operational, doesn't have any holder. And I think that gives you a pretty darn good idea of what's going on. There's no bolt-on bumper. You can always fabricate one. So, pretty decent box overall.